Hey there, music lovers! Today, we've got a fascinating topic for you: making money online just by listening to your favorite tunes. That's right, you can turn your passion for music into some extra cash in your pocket. So, if you're ready to learn how to make some money while jamming out, keep watching. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss our future money-making tips and tricks. Let's get started. So, you might be wondering, why would anyone pay you to listen to music? Well, there are several reasons for this. Market research. Companies want to understand consumer preferences, and music is no exception. By paying you to listen and give your opinions, they gain valuable insights. Playlist curation. Streaming platforms need playlists for various moods and genres. They pay individuals to create playlists and listen to songs for quality assurance. Reviews and feedback. Musicians and record labels want honest feedback on their tracks. They often reward reviewers and critics for their insights. Now, let's explore how you can get started and actually make money while listening to music. Music review websites. Sign up on platforms like Slicethapy, Music X-Ray, or Hit Predictor. Listen to tracks and provide your opinions and ratings. Accumulate points or money, which can be redeemed as cash or gift cards. Playlist creation. Create and curate playlists on streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, or Amazon Music. Promote your playlists to gain followers. Earn money through streaming royalties and playlist sponsorships. Music surveys. Participate in music surveys on sites like Vindal Research, Swagbucks, or Survey Junkie. Share your music preferences and earn cash or gift cards for your time. To make the most of this opportunity, consider thesatips. Diversify. Don't rely on a single platform. Explore multiple options to maximize your earnings. Consistency is key. Build a following. If you create playlists, the more followers you have, the higher your potential earnings. Give honest feedback. Be sincere in your music reviews and feedback. This will increase your credibility and lead to better opportunities. Stay updated. Keep up with new music trends and artists. This helps you make relevant playlists and provide valuable insights. Of course, there are a few things you need to be cautious about. Scams. Beware of websites that promise huge payouts for minimal effort. Stick to trusted, well-established sites. Making money by listening to music is a fun and rewarding way to supplement your income. While it may not make you a millionaire overnight, it can certainly add some extra cash to your wallet while indulging in your passion. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our money-making tips and tricks. As always, keep the tunes playing and the money flowing.